Hello class 9. Today I am going to explain chapter 2 motion in one dimension and my topic is equation of uniformly accelerated motion. In this equation of uniformly accelerated motion I will tell you the three equations that are applied in the motion. The first equation of motion is V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And the third one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So, for the motion of the body with a uniform acceleration, the three given equations of the motions are required, that are V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. These are applied for the different kinds of the work when acceleration in time and velocity is given to you, you will have to find out the final or the initial velocity. Okay, that will be given to you in the question. If you have to find out the distance and the u, t and a is given to you, you will apply the second equation of motion. And if the distance, acceleration and the initial or final velocity is given to you, then you will be able to apply this formula. So, for the proof of this equation of the motion, I am going to describe by using the graphical method. So, graphical method we have applied here, that is a graph for the first equation of the motion. This graph I am going to describe you. Listen, in this graph, that line is showing AB. AB is showing the slope of a particular uniformly accelerated body. Suppose that a body starts from a particular point A. This body is started from a particular point A and uniformly accelerated. Accelerated means there is an increase in its velocity. So there is a continuous change in its velocity with respect to the time. So A goes on increasing and reaches to the particular point, that is B. Now listen, that is a initial velocity of a particular object from counting from a zero OA. Okay, that is the initial velocity, that is OA. And listen, we have to make a line from a particular point B, from a point B to D. That is from a point B to D. That is a velocity, that is a final velocity V. Because body covers a particular velocity at a particular distance at B. So we will calculate from B, that is from O to C, that is a final velocity. This is your final velocity class. From O to C, this is your final velocity, and OA is your initial velocity. I have told you AB is the slope of a particular graph. That is denoted by slope, that is a uniformly accelerated motion, which is denoted by acceleration and it's denoted by a small a letter. Now, OD. OD is the time taken, time of the journey. Okay, OD is the time of the journey and AE is also equal to OD, because if we will take this particular rectangle, okay, so this OD will be equal to AE, got it? And this BE, we have drawn one line, a straight line, okay, which is parallel to the x-axis. So BE will be, how BE will come? Please tell me. This is also forming of one rectangle. BE. BE will be equal to AC. BE will be equal to AC because it is also from one rectangle. So what is AC? AC we have to calculate. How we will calculate? Better listen. If particular OC is given to you, that is V. OC is V and OA is U. So we have to subtract OC minus OA. Okay? OC minus OA will give you V minus U. That is a change in velocity. Change in velocity. And if we will, in a denominator, we will place a particular time period, that will become an acceleration of a body. So listen, that is the acceleration of this graph. So we will have to write here, that is a A. A is the slope of AB. A slope of AB for calculating the slope of AB, we have to apply the particular formula of a trigonometrical ratio of a tan. So that is what perpendicular by base. So according to that, EB by AE, EB by AE, EB is equal to AC. We have written here AC. A is equal to OD. OD is T. We know that. So in place of AC, we will write OC minus OA. But why we have written in place of AC OC minus OA? Because OC is a whole velocity which is covered. Okay, that is a final velocity, and OA is the initial velocity U. If we will subtract final minus initial, we will get AC. That we have written here V minus U. That is divided by T. So class, this T is multiplied with A. That will give you V is equal to V minus U is equal to AT. V is equal to U plus AT. That equation we have got for the first equation of motion. This is your first equation of motion, class. Okay. In this video, I will explain only the first equation of motion, and the next part I will explain the second equation of motion. Thank you, class. Please note it down in your copy.